Is it time to buy or sell American Rebel Holdings stock? In this video, we will take a closer look at American Rebel Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified American Rebel Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.47. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, presenting a promising buying opportunity. If the lower trend threshold, set at $1.70, is breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible 36.57% change in the upcoming 3 months, with a projected return fluctuating between negative 40.70% and 620.49%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 10.93%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to 340.24% over the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price ranging from $0 to $17.26. Our latest daily update for American Rebel Holdings includes the headline: High volatility in American Rebel Holdings Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $3.92. The American Rebel Holdings Incorporated stock price gained 27.69% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from $3.07 to $3.92. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 36.08%, ranging from a low of $3.52 to a high of $4.79. The price has seen significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 29.75% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 83 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $324,760,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence, which may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $20.89, while the lowest price fell to 6.51 cents. Currently, the price is 81.24%, or $16.97, below the 52-week high, and 99.76%, or $1,616.08, below the all-time high reached on the 21st of January, 2022, when the price peaked at $1,620. American Rebel Holdings, Incorporated, trading under the symbol AREB, is experiencing significant growth, bolstered by recent strategic expansions and partnerships. On April 22, 2025, the company announced its entry into North Carolina through a distribution agreement with Adams Beverages, marking its footprint in 10 states, with plans to expand further in the Southeast. This rapid growth has the potential to enhance market share and attract new investors. Moreover, the company's partnership with Charlotte Motor Speedway as the title sponsor of the American Rebel Light NHRA 4-Wide Nationals underscores its commitment to increasing brand visibility. Such sponsorship deals can create deeper connections with motorsports enthusiasts, which may drive sales and build a loyal customer base. Earlier in April, American Rebel hosted a launch event in Bowling Green, Kentucky, aligning closely with its distribution partners. This hands-on approach in local markets strengthens community ties and brand awareness, which are vital for long-term growth. despite a significant recent reverse stock split at a ratio of 1-for-25. These developments could positively influence AREB's stock price in the short term by instilling investor confidence and showcasing effective execution of their growth strategy. As American Rebel continues to pursue nationwide distribution and promotional opportunities, the company is well positioned for sustained growth, potentially translating into a strong upward trajectory for its stock price in the long term. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 26th of September 2022, it was reported that E.F. Hutton assigned AREB a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned American Rebel Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for American Rebel Holdings. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 74 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for American Rebel Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.07. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below the support level may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock can experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band suggests a very large prediction interval, categorizing this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.27 between its highest and lowest points, which is a 36.08% change. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 55.4%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for American Rebel Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may encounter downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for American Rebel Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for American Rebel Holdings is at $3.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, American Rebel Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.07. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for American Rebel Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by HRT Financial Limited Partnership, who bought and sold 425,708 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 8 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 56.817. In total, insiders acquired 1,006,060 shares and divested 181,652 shares over the last 8 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.70, reflecting a decline of 5.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is American Rebel Holdings stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators currently appear negative, which we believe will impact the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. Nevertheless, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. As a result, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that American Rebel Holdings will open higher by approximately 157/100ths of a dollar, starting at $4.08. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.